Hello, readers. You guys are on fire with your foundations lessons. So I just need to put on my fire hat here to put you out. All right, here we go. Let's do this. E-ed, eh. I, itch, eh. You, up, W-H, w. C-H, ch. T-H. And don't forget the noisy sound for T-H. Th, like in this and that. S-H, sh. C-K, k. U-N-G, lung, ung. U-N-K, junk, unk. J, j. Q-U, qua, the body letter. V, v. Bite that lip. N, n. A, apple, ah. O, octopus, ah. K, k. I and K, pink ink. A and K, A and K, A and K, bank ink. Ugh, I couldn't remember that one. A-M, ham, am. Fantastic job, my fiery friends. And you know what's coming next.
Come to the office, please.
That's right. The good old pirate hat for these R control vowels. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, Very nice job. And last but not least, our cool new teammates, the vowel teams. This first row says A. Let's try it. A-I, bait A. A-Y, play A. Who remembers what this row says? E. Good. E-E, jeep E. E-A, eat E. E-Y, key E. Fantastic job, readers. We are going to switch over into talking a little more about closed syllables. Please allow me to build you a word. As I'm putting up a sound, really be thinking about that sound in your head and blending it. Okay, take a look at this word. What does it say? Clap. Clap. What kind of syllable we got here, guys? Yeah, it's closed in. We have one vowel with a consonant after. It's closed in. So since it's closed, what does that tell you about the vowel? It has a short sound. So let's go ahead and mark that. I will scoop the syllable type, put a C under it for closed, and put that brev over the top to show that it's that short vowel. I'm going to add a little something now. Watch this. Don't worry, I'm back. What if I add this suffix frame? Remember these suffixes come at the end of a word. So they add to the base word. What does it say now? It says claps. So when we add the suffix, we would still mark the base word and then circle the suffix. We don't need to underline it and scoop it. Since we scoop the syllable, that can kind of count as our underline the base word, circle the suffix. Okay, are you ready to try some more? Excellent. Watch me do a word on the big side here. Okay, can you go ahead and read this word for me? What's the base word? Twig, twig. So if we underline the base word, circle the suffix, what's the whole word? Twigs. Yeah, like you can pick up some twigs after a storm that fell from a tree. Now we can also mark the syllable type. Scoop it. It's closed in. It's a short I. And we can mark the blend too. There's a lot to mark, and as you keep learning, you'll learn more and more. So it's important that you listen to the directions and only mark what the teacher wants you to mark at certain times, because that's what she needs you to focus on. Okay, now let's look at something else. I need to put my letters back up here. And I'm going to build a new word to teach you something. Okay, let's talk about it. What consonant is closing in the vowel? The T, right? It closes it in. What's the word? Got. If I take the T away, is it still closed? It's not. It's not closed anymore. It's actually open. It's like an open door. Love is an open door. You know that Frozen song? Well, this is an open syllable now. And when it's open, the vowels are long. They say their name. The vowel sound is O. So this word is go. See that? When it's closed in, it says ah, got. But when it's open, it says oh, go. Let me show you some more examples of this. Okay, closed in, what does it say? Hit, hit. Open, what does it say? Hi. It totally changes the sound of the vowel. I can show you another example. What do we have when it's closed in? Not. What about if we take it away and open it up? Long O. No. Very good. Let's do one more. Okay. Look at this word. Closed. What does it say? Bet. Open, and it says B. Very good. Are you ready to practice some of these yourself? Okay. I would like you to get your Velcro board. It looks like this. You have all your Velcro letters. And we are going to get ready to do some words. So pause if you need to get your board settled still. Okay. And repeat after me. Wilt. Let's tap it. W-I-L-T. Go ahead and build it down on the bottom of your board. W. Spell it out loud and build it. W-I-I-I. Oh. Okay. Work on it on your own. And as you finish, then you can check with me. What does it mean to wilt? Yeah, like a flower that's kind of withering and dying, wilting. Let's spell it away and put it back in the right spot. W I, you do this on your board, L T, wilt. Let's try another word. Shrubs. Like a bunch of bushes, trees, shrubs. Tap it. Sh, b. That's the base word. Shrub. Let's build shrub. Pause here if you want more time on your own. Shrubs. Good. After you made it say shrub, Then you need to add the suffix s. So it's more than one. You should have a suffix s. If it's not on your board yet, grab it out of your baggie and add it. Shrubs, more than one shrub. It's closed in, isn't it? Shrub. Okay, let's spell it away. S-H-R-U-B, suffix s. Okay, my friends, repeat after me. Gift. Tap it. G-I-F-T. And go ahead and build it. Pause here to build on your own. Check it to mine. What's the blend? F-T. Gift. Ft, ft, ft. It's a blend at the end. And let's spell it away. G-I-F-T. Okay, let's do a few words with bonus letters. Repeat after me. Grass. Tap it. G-R-A-S. Pause and build it. Okay, if you're back, check it with mine. Does it look right? It doesn't look right because we ended in an S right after the short syllable. So we need to add another S. We need to have a bonus S. 2 S's. Grass. Good. Let's spell it away. G-R-A-S-S. What are the bonus letters? F-L-S and sometimes Z. Okay, let's do another one. Repeat after me. Fluff. Do you like to eat peanut butter and fluff? Tap out fluff and build it. Take your time building it. If you need more time, pause as you work on fluff. Look, we already used 2 F's, but we need a bonus F. So we can use just our blank yellow tiles for that. Full of. Okay, let's spell it away. F-L-U, bonus F. Great job, everybody. We're going to do one last word today. Repeat after me. Belts. What's the base word? Just one belt. Let's tap out belt. B-E-L-T. Build belt. And then make it say belt. Okay, show me your belt. And did you add your suffix S to make it turn into belts? More than one belt. Do any of you have a belt? Okay, hold up your pants. Let's spell it away. B-E-L-T, suffix S. Very nice job, everyone. Make sure that your board is neatly organized before you finish for the day, and we'll see you next time.